I want my students to be able to engage in authentic learning experiences.
The creative capacity that the Hummingbird Kit provides is limitless, only bound by what a student is able to imagine and create in their mind.
Anytime an ed tech company is able to come out with a product that helps pull that technological world into the real world is really beneficial to them.
The Hummingbird is a way of having you see things and build things. It's a maker atmosphere, maker mentality, but where you have to use the knowledge that you have on how the different pieces of equipment work to create what you want to create.
And that was one of the reasons I was kind of attracted to it in the first place, was that it could be done with anything. It wasn't just a canned kit that you handed to me and said, here, this is how you do this. It was a world of possibilities, because I was able to say, okay, I can add lights and sensors and motors to anything. What do we want to talk about?
It's a device that took my students from being active listeners to active learners, because to see them come in and immediately get on task, and they didn't want to stop when it was time to leave.
They're also learning about programming languages, they're learning how to code, they're learning how to sequence things. They're looking differently at everything. They're looking differently at content, they're looking differently at the process of making something, they're looking differently at each other and how they fit into their role as a team.
The learning that took place, the deep thinking, working with the art concepts, it was powerful. It's just extremely powerful.